Umengameli weqembu Cyril Ramaphosa uthi kuningi leli qembu selikuzuzile kodwa ke luselude uhambo okusamele luhanjwe.
Much has been done, a lot still needs to be done, and we will rise from here knowing that a great deal of progress is being made.
Umengameli ubonge ukusebenzisana abanakho namadla ndawonye ne-ANC okuyi-SACP, iCOSATU neSANCOM.
COSATU spoke very positively about the impact of the national minimum wage. COSATU said that has been one of the key defining progress implementation areas by this sixth administration.
I-ANC ithi izobatshela abantu la eyenze khona amaphutha nokuthi ke kungani yehlulekile la ehluleke khona.
And we will be able to outline to our people where we have fallen short and why we fell short.
Umengameli weqembu wethulwe yiphini lakhe uPaul Mashatile. Kuke kwaba namayememu athi kunetulo lokususa uMashatile kwesephini, kepha ke umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukuphikile lokhu izolo.